can't go wrong. Subscribe. What up, gang? Welcome back to our channel.
If you're new, I'm Dez.
I'm Nikwa, and today we're bringing you a little vloggy vlog.
Yep. Woo. So in today's video, where we going, or in our vlog, where we're going is Area 51.
Woo.
You see about these fireworks, woo, 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 woo. Happy Juneteenth, Happy Father's Day, all of that. So we're gonna get some of these festivities.
Yeah, we started. This is like a birthday party for him. It's just crazy. But anyways, we're gonna take y'all on the trip with us. So once we get there, we'll tune back in and let y'all see what we're working with and what the store's all about. And we'll go from there. Peace out, Cub Scout.
See y'all in a minute. Making our way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and you smell like poo-poo. Making our way, Queen City. What you got to say to the people?
You trying to have me crash?
What?
Gotta stay focused.
She can do this in her sleep, y'all. She from New York City. New York City.
Alrighty. Yes. We are at Area 51.
We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Started from the north, now we in the south. Quick ride. Not long. Ain't that white? Ain't that white? Let me show y'all what it looked like though. Some of y'all know, some of y'all don't.
What you talking about?
Area 51.
Alright.
So, behind Frugal McDougal, there's a whole nother fireworks store. Ooh, it's bright. Should've worn my shades.
Alright, well hopefully y'all can hear us. Had to get masked up real quick. We're about to go in the store and show y'all what it's about.
Got a maximum of 40 people.
Go into his store of his playground. We're gonna call his playground. You sure you want me to go first? Okay.
Now,
Choco chicken.
I like to go for a lot of shots. Also, I like to go for 200 to 500 grams.
So a lot of shots and 200 to 500 grams. What's the highest amount of shots you can get?
You can get a lot. These are only 25. Some of them got like 30. Some of them got 100.
More than that. Y'all, I am not a fan of fireworks at all. I don't even understand. Like, this stuff just looks demonic. Like, really? I don't like them. I don't.
They don't even have everything down.
How you know? Oh, are we in your way?
I guess to get through here?
You oh.
So you get 2 for $139.
So you said $139.
Yeah.
And what you get out of it?
Shells. This is the artillery shell.
They're artillery shells. Okay, so what about
those are pretty dope too. There's a lot of stuff in this store.
I see.
I did not bring enough money.
Ooh, look at these packs.
Hey, you said green was about I want to get the green label. Yes.
Oh my god. I could not work here. Like, imagine all the stuff being set on fire for accident. Oh my god. I couldn't do it. I couldn't work here.
Why not?
Imagine something accidentally like setting on fire.
It happened before.
Here?
Not here.
Rocket just shaped different.
Scary. Dang, look at this bad boy.
That's a big one.
A little bit of color, it's just not
think
gonna
that
be as
was
big
like
as like
1,000.
a border or something.
$1,000
Nah, that's only
It's just a
4.
rocket.
380.
for this? Is it worth it?
Yeah.
So how come when you came last year you spent just about that, if not more, but you didn't just buy this and get it over with one shot?
Because I want to pick. I want to pick all my little stuff. And some of that stuff I might not want. I might not.
Oh.
I'll light it all, but there might be some stuff in there that I could do without.
Yeah, we're fine. Thank you.
Thank
Let
you.
us know if we can help. Ask for Will.
Alrighty, thank you.
So, but all of that's pretty good. All of that's good. I think that's all the biggest stuff at the bottom. Like this got a lot of shells.
Oh, they don't have everything out. There's a lot back there. So,
When did y'all put everything out?
We have almost everything out. It's just like we might not have certain 500 grams out because we don't have space yet. But
so y'all, let me tell y'all, last year, this guy almost set me and some kids on fire.
It wasn't me. I didn't like
Yeah, they lit the fireworks, right? We all the way in the park. And all of a sudden,
that. Man, it was a cake.
I'm gonna have to, oh, I got it on video. I'm gonna insert it in here so y'all can see. Oh my
It was a cake.
He
I don't
damn
think
near
I liked
set-
it. I don't think I lit that one.
I don't know who said it, but all I know is I was chilling and then I just see lights coming towards us.
The way that it started, it wasn't level on the ground.
He almost set us on fire.
It
Okay.
wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it is.
It wasn't level. $6.25. These are small, but these are what if I want to get 2. Buy one of these, you get 2. So you can get this and something of the equal value. Anything equal value.
2 of them.
Yep.
So
get
you
3.
spent $25 for 3?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
You add it up. Like what I do, I try to add the shots up and see how many shots I can get.
Get out of it. Alright, y'all. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and shop around the store for a little bit and see what we can find. And once we are finished, we will be right back with you. We are still in the store,
It takes time.
and
to
the
make
empty.
sure-
It's an empty cart. There's still nothing in the cart.
It takes time to find out what you really want. That's
We're
all.
still in the store. What you have to say for yourself?
I gotta
Apparently,
say,
they're not actually illegal. It just depends. Like, there's an
Oh,
ordinance.
I guess we got our first purchase, huh?
we get 3 of these, and it's what 1,000 shots, so we can get 3,000 little pop, 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 pops.
I don't know. I think I might stay in the car this year because I ain't trying to get set on fire.
You ain't gonna get set on fire.
You told me that last year.
And did you catch on fire?
This close.
No, man.
All right, y'all.
Woo! Nah, it ain't even like that.
We are done. And according to him, this is just round number 1. So, let's
2 and
see.
3 is coming. It's not much. Got some fountains, some browns, you know. But y'all gonna
Oh,
see
a
it
lot
when
of stuff. Yeah.
y'all gonna see it when it goes up.
When he decides to light them on.
We might do a little something tonight. What you think? Might do a fountain or something.
I mean, it's up to you.
Yeah, we could do a fountain or something. Something light.
But you driving.
That's cool.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so we are done. We are headed back, and we will see y'all in a few.